If you've locked your Wise card and need to unlock it, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Open the Wise app. Launch the Wise app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to card settings. Once in the app, find the cards section. Tap on it to view your card details and settings. Step 3. Locate the lock/unlock option. In the card settings, look for the option that indicates whether your card is locked or unlocked. There should be a toggle or button for locking and unlocking your card. Step 4. Unlock your card. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm unlocking. After unlocking, check the status of your card to ensure it is now active. You should receive a confirmation message within the app indicating that your card is unlocked. By following these steps, you can easily unlock your Wise card and resume using it for your transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for assistance.